Let's go. So now we're just waiting for things to arrive. Whoa, it's bumpy. So, being an authority, what does it really mean? I think there's three things. One, when you speak to people, they want to know that you know what you're talking about. If you just spam them and say, do you want to buy this crap? And they don't care. They don't really don't care. They just say, no, I don't want your So, by helping them and adding value in whatever that form that takes, if you're in the home business arena and you can help someone achieve something or help someone, probably more importantly, solve a problem, happy days. That way they see you as someone who has maybe some more knowledge than them in a particular thing, and if you help them, there's a natural kind of gratitude to that. Now, whether or not this is paid or unpaid doesn't really matter. That doesn't make you the authority. What makes you the authority is helping and providing that value when somebody needs it. So, okay, that's reason one. Reason two, why it's important to be an authority. Social norms, social dynamics, but just general sort of socialness, social kind of social value. It's not social value. Social media, being social, all the social. You know when you say words so many times, social. Now it sounds really odd. Social values, social proof. That's the one. So social proof. You get social proof when other people follow you, and those other people see them, and then they follow. But social proof is hugely important because by being, it's almost like a chicken and egg, because when you've got social proof, that allows you to sort of rise up as the leader, which then allows more people to see that, which gives you more social proof, etc. So just by helping a few people to start with, it's not about the reaction you get, it's not about the likes, the subs, the follows and all of that crap. Forget all of that. Just add value, help, and you'll start to stand out from everyone else, because basically no one else gives a shit about other people, and people just do whatever they like, essentially. So by helping, standing out, you will naturally stand out and become that leader. Third reason why being an authority or being the leader is vitally important. Leaders are the ones who make the money, clearly. They say the one at the front of the room doing the presentation is the one with the cash. And where this comes from is the fact that when you are an authority, you can legitimately sell stuff and charge money for things, whether it's products in your company, your services, or affiliate products, things like that. People trust you. People know, like, and trust you because you've shown them that you are an authority in that space, in that niche type of industry, and so people trust you and they're more than willing to pay you money. So it's a weird thing, because you think, well, just the famous, just the big names make the money. Well, they do, but not just the big names make the money. The less big names and the smaller people do make some money, but it's probably small money. And it takes time to build up that legitimacy in your area to actually make some money, really. It's not rocket science, it's quite simple. Add value, and then add some more value. Keep doing what you're doing for the reason for helping, for adding value. Don't do it for the outcome of making money, because then it will all fall apart and you'll be on your ass and be full of... Basically, do what you're doing to add value, to bring value. I can't say value enough. Value, value, value. Do what you're doing to add value to the marketplace, to your audience, and basically by doing that and concentrating on that only, the money will come. You'll naturally raise up to that leader, that sort of authority, if you want personality, famous person in your niche or in your marketplace. And by getting that, then you've got that authority, that legitimacy to command the money to be able to sell stuff. Hopefully that's given you some sort of idea of how important it is to be the authority or be famous in your genre, in your niche of your business, or in anything really, to sort of get any success. And it's not about just being famous, it's about really giving value. That's the key, give value. And by giving value, you naturally become the authority and therefore famous. So back to the original point, is it important to be famous? Yes, in a strange sort of way. So that's enough for now. Have a good time and see you next time.